Welcome, kings and queens and chokers. Um, get ready to chop it like it's hot with Judd. That's me.
Alright, friends, let's just jump right into it today. We're making cabbage soup, the ultimate reset. Starting with the vibrant baby carrots. Here I am tackling these adorable baby carrots. Why baby carrots, you ask? Well, for those of us with gut issues, they're often a little easier on the stomach than their larger counterparts. Plus, they're packed with gut health goodness. Not only helping us feel fantastic on the inside, but also on the outside. And my apologies to any pro chef out there watching. My chopping technique, well, it's a little bit of a wild card every time. Up next, folks, a little something you might not expect to see in a traditional cabbage soup: a zucchini. Some of you might call it a bluff, but I call it a stroke of pure genius. It adds a subtle freshness that really elevates the whole pot. Don't knock it till you've tried it. Sometimes the unexpected hand is the winning one. Now, 5 whole stalks of celery are about to join this party. It's a bit of a squeeze, but trust me, these green giants bring that essential savory crunch. Think of them as the reliable pair in your hand. Always a solid choice. And now, for the undisputed star of our show, the main event, the cabbage. 6 glorious cups worth. Full disclosure, my knife and I had a bit of a showdown with the cabbage here. Those epic knife skills I mentioned earlier? Yeah, still on vacation. But hey, a little struggle adds character, right? This is where the magic really begins to unfold. Now that all of our veggies are prepared, they're patiently waiting their turn. It's time for the protein. Here I'm browning 2 pounds of lean ground turkey in some extra virgin olive oil. We're keeping the spices under wraps for now. A little element of surprise, if you will. Feel free to add whatever flavors you like to give your turkey a little edge. But the secret move, once it's almost fully browned, in went 2.5 glorious tablespoons of garlic puree. That's our ace in the hole for flavor. While the veggies were being prepared and the turkey was browning, I had a rich chicken stock simmering on the side. 12 cups of liquid gold, ready to embrace our ingredients. And into the beautiful stock, my friends, goes 3 cans of Italian diced tomatoes. This is the pot where all of our flavors will come together. Alright, simple and satisfying. Time to add our beautifully browned and garlicky turkey straight into the pot. No fancy moves here. Just good, honest ingredients coming together. All in. Now, in go the rest of our fresh heroes, starting with our star, the cabbage, followed by that colorful bowl of celery, zucchini, and all those lovely baby carrots. Now, for the flavor foundation, our winning spice blend. We've got a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 of a teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon and a half of Italian seasoning, and my secret weapon, 1.5 tablespoons of onion soup mix, finely ground into a powder. These are the essentials that make this dish sing. Time to give everything a good shuffle. Stir it all together, making sure every ingredient gets to know its neighbor. Now, we let it all simmer low and slow for about 25 to 30 minutes until those vegetables are fork tender. Don't forget, taste and season with a little extra salt and pepper before you dig in.
Spoon me. I'm all in. Now that's a full house of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Now smash that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to share.